Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the second part of 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. Part first we have already studied. In that we have seen Raito and his team observed that female turtles or the species of turtles must be saved, and we must utilize the natural beauty or the gift to us. So he had taken one project. We'll continue the second part. An amazing characteristic of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is, nearly after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. The female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs, and immediately returns to the sea. Means, see how clever or how wise the female turtle is. She comes to the same place on the shore where she was born. So when does she come? When she reaches the maturity. The female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs, and immediately returns to the sea. So as soon as the female turtle lays her eggs in the nest, she returns to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. Means the female turtle comes in her nest just once to lay her eggs, and after that she never returns to the same place. The eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days using natural heat. We may have observed even other such type of animals hatch their eggs, but the female turtle doesn't come. Then the eggs of this female turtle hatch within a period of 45 to 50 days using natural heat. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea. So when the small hatchlings comes out of the eggs, there are innumerable means so many, uncountable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. It means nobody helps the little hatchlings to solve their problems. Their survival rate see the meaning of hatchlings. Hatchlings means a young animal that has recently emerged from the egg is called hatchling. The survival rate is therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. So why the survival rate of such hatchlings is very less? Because there are so many dangers from the birthplace of the hatchling to the deep sea. That's why only one or two turtles out of 1,000 survives. Turtles perform an important function. So see, what is the use of these turtles to us? They perform one important function. They keep the sea clean. Thus they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Considering all these factors, it is vital, it is important to undertake their protection on a large scale. Therefore, it's very necessary to undertake their protection on a large scale. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. So writer and his team started implementing such type of projects at other places also because they were successful at Velas. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. So after that, the survey had been done of the entire coastline of Maharashtra within 5 years. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. So, this team had worked in 80 of the villages wherever turtle nests were found. Our strategy means skill, technique was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs. What technique did the writer and his team implement? They involved those who had so far been working and stealing the eggs, then to train them and to involve them in the work of protection. We started the Turtle Friend Awards, means Kasav Mitro, to encourage, to motivate more people to be a part of the protection campaign. That is a movement like a comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message and to spread this message to save the turtles. They have prepared a short film and a booklet also. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept. In the year of 2006, they started a new concept, that is Turtle Festival or Kasav Mahotsav, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle and attractive scenery of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea, of the small hatchlings who used to rush out from the eggs to the sea. A short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue. Quite firm, completely strong. Were very strict on one issue. That is, the hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. The writer and his team decided that the hatchlings should not be harmed because of this tourist activity. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. It means the writer and his team convinced the villagers, and that's why the villagers provided the accommodation to the tourists. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent. A Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. All villages would know offer all villages would now. Would is a modal auxiliary used to show the past habitual action. So this all villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. It means there was a unity among the villages. They charged the same rate for homestay. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the Turtle Protection Fund. The fund would be utilized. Utilized means used for the purpose, for the intention of protection and conservation of turtles. It means the fund given by the villagers was used only for the protection and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped the festival reach all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. The writer and his team used the modern technology to spread the news. So that the villagers would be aware about this. They would get the information about the project and they will also start protecting the turtles. People around the world began to contact the small villages. From that time, the people around the world, from all over the world, started to contact the small villages of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestays. So gradually, slowly, more and more villagers came forward to help or to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit villas in the total season. So now the number of visitors had been increased. In the total season, around 800 people started to visit villas. This meant more business for the villagers. So if the number of visitors will be increased, means the villagers will have more and more income. Now they realized the tourism can be a source of income. Now the villagers understood that tourism can be a source of income. Now they came to know that if we protect the turtles and their eggs, they may have a source of income. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. So as we know, whenever the tourist visits the place, they bring money, and by providing various types of facilities to the visitors, the people can earn money. So it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. This was conservation. of nature through livelihood. So the people came to know that this was conservation, to take care of natural properties through livelihood in its true sense. Velas became the project's main success story. Now the Velas has become very famous as the project was successful first time in the village Velas. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, that is our organization, believed, means had trust, that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. Species means kinds. So our organization, means writers organization, name is Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately means finally, offer means to give excellent protection to the local species. That is why the team worked hard to make the villagers interested, to help the species of turtles if they are given the freedom to do that, if the conservation project became sustainable. So we have decided, it means the writer and his team decided, that if we provide the freedom, if we give the villagers the freedom to do that, the conservation project became sustainable. With this belief, we trust the villagers and the project to the forest department, because such type of rights are given to the forest department, even to the Gram Panchayat, that is a local body formed through the election to do the administration of small villages, that is called the Gram Panchayat. Such type of Gram Panchayats are there in every village. The head of the Gram Panchayat is Sarpanch, and this Sarpanch used to get the facilities from the government and used to provide it to the common people. The villagers and their Turtle Friends Club, all of them are handling it wonderfully. So all the participants started handling it wonderfully, marvelously. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. So now the writer and his team decided to just keep a watch on the participants, how they are working for the protection, for the conservation of sea turtles. And they observed, and after observation they came to know that the people are working properly. Now they are aware about the value of sea turtles, and the team is happy to see the project running smoothly without any kind of disturbances. The project was going on smoothly, and the team, that is the writer's team, offer help to the villagers only when it was necessary. So, students, in this lesson, there are so many examples of clauses, and we have studied the clauses already. Thank you.